We divide 938 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 4 is 8. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down these 3 and it is 13. So 2 times 6 is 12. On subtracting we get 1. So again we put down this 8 and it is 18. So 2 times 9 is 18. On subtracting we get 0. So 938 divided by 2 is 469. So this much for today and thanks for watching.